Lucid Motors stock update. Oh my goodness, guys, here we are with another Lucid Motors video. So I'm not gonna lie, guys, it's been a few days since I recently uploaded. I was absolutely shocked at how Rivian went through the roof. So I was kind of sitting back trying to figure out why I missed this play. But we just had great news from Lucid Motors. I was telling you guys that people were spreading FUD, trying to shake you out of their shares because they knew how exciting and how well done, how put together, how just extraordinary the Lucid Air vehicle is. We have a lot of bullish news coming up. That's one of the reasons why the stock is literally up a ton today, okay? Shares are up 20%. And if you take a look here, just over the last month, you can see that we've just been ripping. So over the last month, it's literally up 121%, guys. So we're going to go dig into the details here, exactly why Lucid Motors is soaring to the moon, what I'm personally doing. Before I get into the video, guys, I want to show you guys one of my favorite stock trading apps. Guys, you guys check out Webull. The links are in the description below. Or if you're watching this on Roku or something like that, streaming, you can go to investortrip.com/Webull. You can get your 2 free stocks, guys. So you open up a Webull brokerage account, direct deposit any amount, you get 2 free stocks. Great alternative to Robinhood, fractional shares, free commissions, free investing. You can also buy and sell cryptos like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and even Shiba Inu, guys. So please check out those links in the description below if you guys are interested in trading with Webull. So let's take a look at basically what's happened. So as you can see here, the stock is absolutely skyrocketing today. Guys, I was telling you guys about all the FUD that a lot of these big investment firms were spreading, and they were simply doing this to basically shake you out of their shares, okay? These guys, they do research, they have a lot of insider information. They know that Lucid is basically the Tesla 2.0. It's the luxury EV most dominant player right now. They really wanted those shares, so that's what they ended up doing when we had our first run up to about $40. They spread a lot of FUD out here, okay? Morgan Stanley especially was really responsible for a lot of the FUD. They were able to shake a lot of people out of their shares, and then a lot of people missed the run up. So if you got shaken out of your shares on that FUD, you missed out on $20 share gain, and that's just nothing, guys, okay? The Lucid Motors, I have this being a $1 trillion stock, which would put the market cap the price per share would be probably sitting somewhere. If we take a look at the market cap right now, okay, it's at about 88 billion. So I'm looking at around $600 a share. So I wouldn't even think about selling any of my stock in Lucid until we hit the $600 $1 trillion mark. So that will probably take a few years, but I think that's a more realistic thing, okay? We're constantly seeing more stocks, cryptos approach that $1 trillion market cap. And when Tesla hit $1 trillion market cap, that's when you saw a lot of selling pressure, okay? That's a similar thing with Lucid. So we don't want to come in here, buy it at like 26, 27, sell it at 34. No, we don't want those type of profits. Now you can do that. Some of you guys out there are swing trading, and that's great. But for a lot of you guys out here that want to retire early and stuff like that, you don't want 25%, 40% gains, okay? You want to buy these shares and just go about your business, This doesn't have to be a stock where you're literally watching the ticker symbol all the time. You can simply buy into this stock every paycheck, every month on a regular basis. If I'm right, okay, I could be wrong. This is not financial advice, but the way things are going with Lucid, it looks like this company will hit the $1 trillion market cap, which would about 10x the shares, a little bit more, but basically 10x them from here. And then a lot of you guys are going to be able to retire early and do a lot of things for yourself and for your family. So let's explain why. So most recently, the Lucid Air won the Motortrend Car of the Year, guys. So if you check this out, this is a really, really prestigious award, okay? It says the Lucid Air is a 2022 Motortrend Car of the Year. Once again, a high-performing, long-range, game-changing electric sedan from a California startup earns our golden calipers. So this is huge, guys. Anytime any type of vehicle is winning any type of award or any recognition from such a respected brand like Motortrend, it's definitely going to, make news. And that's exactly what happened. So the funny thing is that this is literally Lucid's first vehicle, and they already won Vehicle of the Year, which means that their technology, the engineering, the design, everything is just light years ahead of the competition, okay? We already talked about a lot of this on the video, and I don't want to run the video out too long, but you guys want to go know more about the actual details, I'm going to link to this review in the description below. If you guys are new to Lucid Motors, you guys be sure to read this review. This review is basically goes into all of the technical details about the car and why they won the award and how it's basically outperforming all of its competition. Okay, so that's including the Tesla Model S, the Audi e-tron, the Porsche Taycan, and the Mercedes EQS. The Lucid Air is standing on top of all of these basically competitors, and that's why they won Car of the Year. So guys, be sure to check out their review. Really awesome. Now, the real bullish catalyst for this move was the recent earnings release. Okay, so they posted earnings yesterday, and they basically recapped a lot of things. But the important thing is that we saw reservations soar. Okay, so it says customer reservations rose to 13,000 in Q3, reflecting an order book of 1.3 billion, have increased beyond 17,000. Okay, and now they're picking up and starting to produce more Lucid Airs in the Casa Grande, Arizona, and now they have just under $5 billion in cash, guys. So this is a huge game changer. Okay, we're dealing with a company that has increased reservations. Okay, just under $5 billion in cash, and production is rolling out. And this is one of the reasons why I was telling you guys in some of my previous videos to not just, I would say, you know, obviously do what's best for you, but I would say don't get so excited over a few short-term games here. Lucid Air is really changing the way we look at electric vehicles altogether. They're setting the bar extremely high, and now the rest of the competition is playing catch up to Lucid Motors with this vehicle. So it really doesn't make sense to, I think, cash out now, simply because we have so much growth ahead, so much excitement. You're going to see more and more of these cars on the road, and then you're going to see more and more people get excited. More and more people are going to FOMO into the stock, and that's going to continue to produce, you know, I think superior returns to the S&P 500 in comparison if you guys are just buying index funds. So one of the exciting things is that they expected to produce up to 90,000 vehicles per year by 2023. Okay, guys? And also they're adding the Project Gravity SUV. So right now we're basically just looking at the Lucid Air. They're going to have an SUV coming out that's going to compete with Fisker Ocean. And it's going to compete with some of these other EV companies like Rivian and things like that. So I think, you know, this is just the beginning, guys. If you guys are in the Lucid Air, Lucid Motors talk right now, it's still early, I believe. I don't think it's too late to buy in, okay? We're going to see a lot of positive developments. And like I said, if you guys just take a look here, it's, you know, I just started talking about this stock. I believe I posted my first video earlier this year when the SPAT was announced, okay? We're up 450% year to date, guys. So Lucid Motor stock has outperformed all indices, outperformed the NASDAQ, the S&P 500. If you're looking, and I'm going to say it again and reiterate it, if you're looking for one type of stock, we saw a lot of the Tesla bulls out there. A lot of people were able to retire early by buying into Tesla stock, you know, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years ago. I believe you're going to see the similar thing with Lucid Motors. For me, Lucid Motors is like Apple and Tesla is like Microsoft. So that's kind of the best tech comparison I can give you guys. So like I said, guys, all I've been doing now, right, my strategy has been to simply hold my shares long, sell options. Now, I did end up selling an option around $60 strike price. And when I saw this big move today, I simply rolled the option forward, guys. So you guys can roll your options. If you guys are if you guys sold a call option and you're afraid your shares are going to get called or covered call, you can just roll it forward, okay? I just keep rolling my options forward. I rolled it forward to a strike price of $70 that's expiring on December 3rd, so that just gives me a little bit more wiggle room. I don't know if the stock is going to really run that much higher, but for you guys out there selling covered calls, you don't have to simply close your position and take a loss. You can just roll it forward. So that's a little bit a strategy I'm dealing with, guys. Really, really exciting times for Lucid Motors stockholders, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think we're heading to $100 by the end of the year? What do you guys think? I think right now $54 is more than great gains. You guys have been following. the channel. You know how bullish we've been about it during this whole accumulation period. This was just a great time to just buy. Now we're basically reaping those rewards from our patience, guys. So really excited for Lucid Motors shareholders, guys. And I have some more videos coming out. We have a lot of new developments. Just the EV industry is really hot right now. So even though Elon Musk is selling a lot of, I think a lot of money is shifting into like Rivian and Lucid Air. Lucid Motors, a lot of these other companies, guys. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys enjoy my content, please smash the red subscribe button and smash the thumbs up as well. So that's all I got. Until next time, guys. Take care.